Reproductive efficiency is a critical factor that significantly impacts the lifetime performance and profitability of a beef herd. Cows that fail to produce calves efficiently consume valuable resources that could be better allocated to more productive animals. To achieve optimal lifetime performance, it's essential to manage various aspects of herd health and reproduction effectively. By prioritizing maintenance in your herd management practices, you not only protect your investment, but also enhance productivity, proving that maintaining your herd is far more cost-effective than dealing with the consequences of breakages down the line. Remember, maintenance is cheaper than breakages. For beef cattle to truly thrive, they require optimal nutrition throughout all stages of their productive lives. Lifetime performance encompasses key aspects such as reproduction, birth, growth, and overall production, all supported by proper year-round nutrition. At Communique, we understand the importance of proactive care. Our comprehensive range of research-backed products is designed to maintain optimal health and productivity in your cattle herd. Salmonax is a combination of yeast culture and refined functional carbohydrates that work together to improve herd resilience. This value-added product modulates the immune system to increase the stress threshold of young animals, while also addressing rumen and gut health, protecting them against E. coli, Salmonella, and Cryptosporidium. Salmonax is available in a convenient liquid form for dosing of calves or lambs, or in a concentrated powder form to mix into feed. It's a 4-in-1 value-added product that focuses on improving herd health and immunity. Trace minerals are critical for maintaining proper immune function and ensuring vaccine efficacy in cattle. However, stress events such as transportation, weaning, or environmental changes can rapidly deplete trace mineral stores, leaving cattle vulnerable to disease and reduced performance. Stress also suppresses appetite, thereby further compounding the issue. Zimpro Profusion is specifically designed for use in cow-calf, stocker, and feedlot operations to address these challenges. It has been proven to significantly improve the trace mineral status within just 48 hours of administration. This rapid response makes it an ideal solution during periods of acute stress when cattle are prone to reduced feed intake, ensuring that they receive the essential nutrients needed to support immunity and overall health. Visit us at Communique to learn more about how we can help you maintain success in every aspect of your farming journey.